Welcome to this video about ChatGPT, an AI language model trained by OpenAI. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence has become an essential part of our lives. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced language models currently available and has the ability to perform a wide range of tasks. ChatGPT is an acronym for Chat Generative Pre-training Transformer and is based on the GPT architecture. This architecture uses deep learning algorithms to analyze large amounts of text data and generate natural language responses. With ChatGPT, you can have a conversation with an AI that sounds like a real person, making it a valuable tool for businesses, researchers, and individuals. One of the most significant advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to learn and adapt to different types of language styles, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. It can provide assistance in natural language processing, chatbots, question-answering systems, and even generate creative content such as poetry, fiction, and music. In addition to its language capabilities, ChatGPT has also shown promise in various fields such as medicine, finance, and climate science. It can analyze large datasets, detect patterns, and make predictions, making it an invaluable resource for researchers. Overall, ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in artificial intelligence and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. In the next part of this video, we will explore how ChatGPT works and how it can be used to benefit society. Section 1. Features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, which has been trained on a massive corpus of text data. One of the most remarkable features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and generate natural language. This means that it can respond to natural language queries, carry out conversations with humans, and generate human-like text. ChatGPT can be used for various applications, such as chatbots, language translation, content creation, and more. With the rise of conversational AI, chatbots have become increasingly popular as they can provide instant responses to customers' queries and improve customer engagement. ChatGPT can be integrated into chatbots to provide intelligent and natural responses to customers' inquiries. Moreover, ChatGPT's language translation capabilities can also benefit businesses that operate globally by allowing them to translate their content into various languages quickly and accurately. This can help companies to reach a wider audience and improve their brand recognition. Another use case for ChatGPT is content creation. ChatGPT can generate human-like text, which can be used for various purposes such as creating blog posts, product descriptions, social media content, and more. This can save time and effort for content creators and allow them to focus on other important tasks. Several companies have already implemented ChatGPT in their products or services. For instance, Hugging Face, a startup that specializes in developing natural language processing tools, has integrated ChatGPT into its chatbot platform. The New York Times has also used ChatGPT to generate article summaries for their news app. ChatGPT can also improve efficiency and productivity in various industries. For example, in the healthcare industry, ChatGPT can be used to process and analyze large volumes of medical records and provide insights to healthcare professionals. In the financial industry, ChatGPT can be used to process and analyze financial data, provide investment advice, and assist with fraud detection. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that has a range of applications and benefits for various industries. Its ability to understand and generate natural language can improve customer engagement, save time and effort for content creators, and provide valuable insights for businesses. Section 2. How to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you generate text, answer questions, and create chatbots. In this section, we will discuss how to access and utilize ChatGPT through various platforms such as APIs, websites, and apps. Accessing ChatGPT. There are several ways to access ChatGPT. One way is through OpenAI's API, which allows developers to integrate ChatGPT into their own applications. Another way is through websites and apps that have already implemented ChatGPT, such as GPT-3-powered writing tools like Copy.ai or GPT-3-based chatbot builders like Taz. Using ChatGPT. Once you have access to ChatGPT, you can use it for a variety of tasks. Here are some examples. 1. Generating text. ChatGPT can generate natural language text based on prompts given by the user. For instance, you can provide a brief description of a product or service, and ChatGPT can generate a longer marketing copy for it. Alternatively, you can provide the beginning of a story or essay, and ChatGPT can continue writing it for you. 2. Answering questions. ChatGPT can answer questions based on the information it has been trained on. For instance, you can ask it questions about a particular topic, and ChatGPT can provide relevant answers. 3. Creating chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can interact with users. You can train ChatGPT on a specific topic or domain, and it can generate responses to user queries in real time. Best practices for using ChatGPT. Here are some best practices for using ChatGPT effectively and efficiently. 4. Provide clear and specific prompts. ChatGPT works best when it is given clear and specific prompts. This helps it understand what the user wants and generate more accurate and relevant responses. 5. Train on relevant data. To use ChatGPT for a specific task, you need to train it on relevant data. For instance, if you want to use it to generate marketing copy for a particular product, you need to train it on data related to that product. 6. Experiment and iterate. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it may not always generate the desired output on the first try. It's important to experiment with different prompts and parameters and iterate until you get the desired output. Limitations and challenges. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it also has some limitations and challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the potential for bias in the data it has been trained on. For instance, if the data is biased towards a particular demographic or viewpoint, ChatGPT may generate biased output. It's important to be aware of this and take steps to mitigate bias. Another challenge is the potential for misuse of the tool. ChatGPT can be used to generate fake news, spam, or other types of malicious content. It's important to use the tool responsibly and ethically. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you generate text, answer questions, and create chatbots. By following best practices and being aware of its limitations and challenges, you can use ChatGPT effectively and efficiently. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching.